Hair serum for dry hair. This hair serum contains natural oils that help with brittle and dehydrated hair. Take amber dropper bottle, and using a small funnel, pour in it 1 tablespoon of castor oil, 3 ounces of sweet almond oil, and 1 ounce of avocado oil. Now, add 8 drops of lavender essential oil, and 7 drops of sandalwood essential oil. Close the bottle, and give it a good shake, to mix the ingredients. Store it in a cool and dry place, away from sunlight. How to use it? Use this hair serum as a leave-in conditioner, by applying 2-4 drops on freshly washed and damp hair. The benefits of the ingredients. Castor oil effectively lubricates dry hair, and since it is quite thick, use only about 1 tablespoon for this recipe. Sweet almond oil helps balance the thickness of castor oil. It maintains the proper level of hair moisturization, and has some anti-frizz properties. Avocado oil is also thick, but along with that, it is also full of nourishing fatty acids that keep the hair healthy. Avocado oil also serves as good detangling oil for dry hair. Lavender oil normalizes the scalp sebum production, and locks the moisture within the hair strands. Sandalwood oil is not only moisturizing, but also gives the hair serum a wonderful woodsy scent. Hair serum for dry and damaged hair. Take a pan, pour a cup of water into it, and bring it to a boil. Now add 1 tablespoon each of nettle and horsetail leaves. Simmer on low heat for about 15 minutes, strain out the leaves, and add some aloe vera gel. This recipe moisturizes dry hair, repairs damaged hair, and promotes hair growth.